Hi, ma'am.
Hi, please introduce yourself.
My name is Ofelia Pagaduan, 37 years old, married with 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. The girl is 19 years old and the 2 boys are 18 years old and 10 years old. We have 2 siblings, 2 female, and I am the eldest of the family.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, ma'am. I do have overseas experience in Hong Kong. I work as domestic helper for 10 months. I do all around household work. I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and taking good care of 5 and 9 years old kids. But sadly, I broke my contract because of the operation of my youngest son in his leg. That's why I decided to go home to take care of him. But this time, ma'am, I will promise to finish my contract. Please give me a chance to go back to work in Hong Kong.
Who will take care of your kids if you go to Hong Kong?
My husband will take care of my kids.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I'll check the baby if hungry, and I'll check the baby if the diaper is dirty. And if the baby is still crying, I'll check the baby if the baby is sick. And if the baby is sick, I will call to my employer.
Are you willing to share room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to sing nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Are you okay if your leave is not Sunday or Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the salary instead of leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of cats or dogs?
Yes, ma'am. Because in our home, I have dogs and I also have cats as well, and I do love pets.
If you have homesick, what will you do?
If I homesick, I just put to my mind that I'm doing this for my family and to my children for their future.
Lastly, play something to attract your future employer.
To my future employer, dear ma'am, sir, please hire me as your own maid, and I assure you that your family at home will be safe. I am an honest, trustworthy, and very approachable and willing to learn person, and I promise to finish my contract.